Good morning, all grade 12 CBSE students. Today, I, Tarun sir, your English literature teacher, is going to start a new chapter in the name of On the Face of It, written by Suzanne Hill. The chapter has only two characters, Mr. Lamb and Derry. Both are suffering from physical disabilities. Derry, in his childhood, accidentally had burnt his face due to acid, and Mr. Lamb had lost one of his leg and now he is carrying a tin leg. One day Derry enters from the back gate. Mr. Lamb was the owner of the garden. Derry thought that no one would be present over there and he would be able to pluck some fruits. Unfortunately, he was caught by Mr. Lamb, but let's understand the character sketch of Mr. Lamb. Mr. Lamb, though he was old, but he loved to make friends. He straightaway asked Derry to come from the front gate. He says, everyone does that. I sit over here to make friends. Derry discloses about his disability that no one wants to be with me because one part of my face was burnt by acid. No one wants to become my friend. If they, in a short while, they disappear after few days, Derry says that I don't have any friends. This is the reason I entered from the back gate. Even you would feel horrified, Mr. Lamb. Mr. Lamb had no reaction. He did not utter a word regarding it. Rather, he started to discuss about his physical disability, and through that physical disability he motivated Derry. Derry, who never wanted to be with anyone, what great motivating words Mr. Lamb quoted in front of him by saying that only half part of the face was burnt. Look at, we'll not blame God. Still half part of the face was there. Hope. There was no other part of the body that was disabled. Derry had to understand this, and he understood this. He wanted to leave. Mr. Lamb said that once you inform your mother, do come back. I will pluck ripe apples so that I can make jelly out of it. Derry returns. His mother scolds him. What are you doing? Where were you? He discloses about the old man. Mother, she gets angry at him. And then Derry outbursts by saying that he wants to be there with the old man, and he is going again. He escapes from there. He escapes from there even after getting a good beating and scolding. On returning to the garden, he sees the old man dead. The chapter ends at a pathetic note because Mr. Lamb dies. The ladder was next to him. Derry keeps on crying over there. Reason why? Because, see, I'll not say that he is blaming himself, but yes, a man who was carrying a tin leg, he might have definitely used the ladders to pluck the apples. This is the reason he might have fallen down. Derry had one friend and he died. You can log into my channel for complete notes. You can even call me at 9839305466. Thank you so much.